gentlemen, and welcome to the Quail, and welcome to Lamborghini. You know, it's always good to be in California, also because the US is our most important market, and within the US, California is the #1 market. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here we are presenting the successor of the Lamborghini Huracan, the all-new Lamborghini Temerario. And Thank you. This is the job of the team of Lamborghini. This car is coming from the very beginning in two versions. So we have this one, and then we have the Temerario Alleggerita, which means a lighter car. It has less weight, so 55 pounds reduced, improved aerodynamic, and even more downforce. So thank you very much. Remember, we are not selling mobility, we are selling dreams. Forza Lamborghini. Grazie.
A little bit more. There.
Now slow. Plywood. Stop. Come down. Stop. Want to come up a bit? Hey, stop. Stop. Got the little block underneath this tire. And then one in. Good, you're on the first block. Good. You're clear.